Starting with the greatest name of Allah Almighty, who is Rahman and Rahim, who created me, you and all universe. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and honorable chief guest, and the shining star of AL-Huda school, Assalamu alaikum. Today, my topic is about importance of education. Education means learning, reading, and existing knowledge. Human beings have achieved a lot from the start, and it would be unfortunate to lose all these achievements. Education is the backbone of life. A life without education is nothing, because when you are educated, you can show the right path to others. It increases the self-confidence in developing the personality of a person. Education is the key of success. My means, get education. It is very important for us. Thank you.